Cash App Borrow is not available for most users because the feature is limited to eligible accounts, and approval depends on account activity, banking history, and how consistently you use Cash App over time. By the end of this, you'll understand why Borrow is missing from your account and what you can actually do to make it appear. Start with eligibility. Cash App Borrow is not a universal feature. Even if your app is updated, the option only shows up for selected users based on internal account evaluation. Now look at account activity. Cash App tends to prioritize users who use the app regularly for sending, receiving, and maintaining consistent transactions. If your account is rarely used, the Borrow option may not appear at all. Next, check direct deposit activity. Accounts with regular direct deposits tend to show stronger eligibility signals. If your account doesn't receive consistent deposits, the system may not unlock Borrow. Now look at balance behavior. Cash App looks at how stable your account balance is over time. Frequent low balances or unpredictable activity can reduce eligibility because it signals higher repayment risk. Next, check account age. Newer accounts often don't get access immediately because there isn't enough historical data. The system needs time to observe your financial patterns before enabling Borrow. Now focus on bank linking. A fully verified and consistently connected bank account helps Cash App evaluate your financial behavior. If your bank connection is incomplete or unstable, features like Borrow may not appear. Next, check geographic and rollout limits. Cash App rolls out Borrow gradually, so some users won't see it even if they meet general requirements. Availability can vary depending on when the feature is enabled for your account. Now look at app updates and cache issues. Sometimes the feature is present but not visible due to outdated app versions or display delays. Updating the app and refreshing account data can sometimes resolve this. Finally, understand the system itself. Cash App Borrow is not manually granted. It's controlled by an automated system that continuously evaluates your account behavior and decides whether to show the feature. If your financial activity doesn't match their internal criteria, Borrow will stay hidden. To sum it up, Cash App Borrow is usually unavailable because of three things: limited account activity, lack of consistent deposits, or not enough financial history for the system to trust repayment behavior. Next step is simple. Use Cash App regularly. Keep your bank fully linked and build consistent deposit activity so the system has enough data to evaluate your account. If this helped, like the video, subscribe for more Cash App fixes, Borrow eligibility tips, and simple breakdowns that help you unlock features faster.